If your Google TV isn't showing up when you try to cast or screen mirror, or if casting suddenly stopped working, it's usually due to Wi-Fi settings or app permission issues. Here's how I fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check Wi-Fi and restart devices. In order to cast, both your Google TV and your casting device like phone or tablet must be on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, casting won't work. Go to your Google TV home menu, navigate to settings, then select network and internet. Here make sure your Wi-Fi network on the TV is the same as your casting device. After checking all that, restart your router, then restart your phone, and also restart your TV. Now try casting again. This refreshes network connections and often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Re-enable Google Cast. Go to your Google TV home menu. From there, navigate to the settings. Now scroll down to apps and open it. Then see all apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Now select show system apps. Scroll down through this list to find the Google Cast. Once you find it, open it. Now select disable from here and confirm your choice. After that, enable it once again. Re-enabling the cast feature sometimes works out very well. Check out your issue. If the problem persists, try out the last solution. Solution 3. Uninstall updates for Google Cast. While you are still at the Google Cast settings, select uninstall updates this time. Now confirm your choice. Remember, doing this will completely factory reset the Google Cast feature. After this process is done, give your TV a restart. Once restarted, your cast problems will be gone. But in case if your TV is older and casting is unreliable, consider using a Chromecast dongle. It gives smoother casting and better compatibility for new Android and iPhone devices. If this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.